A thick line of plaster is applied and a double-handed trowel is used to evenly coat a wall. Tubular beads of concrete are layered precisely using a 3D concrete printer. Painter's tape and brick-colored paint are used to create the illusion of a real brick wall. Precise measuring and a steady shovel team up to create a compass-like chalk circle. A water line is let in at the perfect angle, causing a chain reaction installation. Watch this compact track loader with a large tray fill and tie closed 20 sandbags in seconds. Drywall mud is applied and then quickly removed to fill nail holes on a new wall. Watch this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. Dugout moat trenches are filled with concrete to form a complex strip foundation. Excess drywall mud is masterfully removed from a wall to reveal a smooth finish. A rough coat of pool plaster is sprayed and then smoothly troweled by an expert team. A section of new roofing is secured with hot mop roofing tar and a hand tool. Watch this pothole get sealed and filled with a top coat of textured concrete. Wood framing and hand tools are used to create a half-moon outdoor concrete landing. An exact amount of brick mortar is applied with a piece of wood and pro-level experience. A skilled craftsman utilizes different trowels to give textural accents to a new entrance walkway. This worker rides the arm of a mini excavator to evenly skim coat a new patio with concrete. Wet concrete is shoveled into a concrete stencil to achieve a honeycomb block design. Watch this bricklayer cut and arrange bricks diagonally to make a lattice-style brick fence. A faux brick wall is made using a roller frame and a plastic textured rolling pad template. A mixture of wet and dry concrete shoveled into a template makes decorative roof tiles. A ceiling hole is patched using sistered studs, drywall tape, mud, and expertise. Four custom mini-mold templates are pressed into fresh concrete to make a faux stone wall. Perfect timing and teamwork enable these workers to lay a brick road at a rapid pace. Tape lines are carefully pulled from fresh paint to expose a fake brick wall. A striated hand tool is dragged over wet plaster to create an Artex pattern design. Watch this worker heave pebbles at wet concrete to form a pebble-dashed wall. Large cement blocks are lowered onto a truck with a circular frame to create a tunnel. A loose mixture of mortar is carefully flung onto a new brick wall. This fake brick road is rapidly crafted with a giant stamp roller on an extension pole.